We are 2 weeks into our ambitious rebuild, and so far things have started off pretty well. Ruby's side panel's been chopped, we've ripped out her front cab, and we even chopped off her face. Now last week was a bit slow, and so this week we're determined to kick things on a bit. If you missed our live chat, then you would have missed our big bad list. This is everything we've got to repair, and we've even started adding up how much it's cost us so far. And that's without the price of the gearbox. This is going to cripple us.
All right, Rolf.
Another week.
Another week.
Another day.
Last week was a bit shit, right?
It's a bit slow.
Bit slow, but it's kind of a shame. We really powered, and then
Yeah, they just kind of clapped the front panel on and left it for 3 days. But they don't really. I mean, maybe we should also communicate better. But yeah. He said he's going to do it today, I believe, he told you?
yeah, said they were going to get it done today, but you said he spoke to him and...
He says that one of the guys is ill, the guy who's been doing most of the work on this. I think he's the main welder, he did all the side and everything, but I believe he's ill. What can you do?
We'll just have to see what happens.
I'm just going to really try and get all this stuff done. We still have a lot of stuff to do actually ourselves.
So if they get the front panel and Ruby's new face on, what do you intend to get done?
Well, I want to make a proper start on those electrics, but the problem is it's all kind of cumulative. I need to put this in to see where the fuse board goes, and then I need this to be in to wire it, because you can see there's quite a large amount of wiring, and obviously I've taken out a bunch of the switches, so lots of it connects to the dashboard, but I can't put the dashboard in because the windscreen's out.
So at the moment we've got a load of dominoes and we're waiting for one to set them all off.
Which is why I'm going to try and do everything else, at least when we're ready to go, we're just
So over the weekend as well, we also prepped the metal work in the cab.
It is Sunday, so final preparations for painting.
You love any excuse to get a grinder out, don't you?
I love any reason to upset the purists. I just cut off the fuse board mounts.
Oh.
But that's upsetting to someone out there.
And got some paint on.
Looks absolutely banging.
Let's have a look at how the cab is looking.
This is it mainly prepped. And then that side's starting to be painted again.
Exciting times.
It's exciting.
It looks
You're not going to see it, but I'll know it's there, and that's what
You
matters.
see little bits of it.
And we're getting there. It's looking pretty good for a first coat.
Tidy, tidy, eh?
Yeah, it looks better already than it did before.
So I am gonna do the boring task of picking off more shitty paintwork, get it sanded down so we can get her looking nice.
Totally worth it though.
Next stage.
The metalwork is all done and it is pretty much ready to be painted, which is a relief because I fucking hate sanding.
Alex.
In non-garage news, people have been asking how Amy and Lexi are getting on. Although she's still hissing, she's not hiding under the bed anymore, are you? Do you like your new big sister? Yeah? Oh! She's such a cutie. She's been having a great time in the evening when we can let her out the room.
Go on then. That's a good bit.
So whilst we are still waiting for the front panel to be done, you're keeping busy with Osmo.
Yeah.
So let's see a difference. You're so impatient. Let me have a look. Stop!
What?
Just let me come around.
What?
I want to see like a line.
I'll show you first.
You're gonna show me?
Yes.
Go on then.
That's the difference. Happy now?
Cheers, Rolf.
Yes, it was pretty dry.
Our new friends are warming to me. Hey. Hello, Brandon. Hey, Millie. Oh, you two are so cute. If not disgusting and dirty. Look at your face. Look at it.
You running out of things to do?
No. No, but I'm on woodwork today.
You ready for the big reveal? What are you doing? Let's pan down for the dramatic shot. Ta-da!
I don't know what possessed us to actually go ahead with this.
Well, I don't think we imagined it was actually that
No,
horrible
it
a
was
colour.
called to be really misleading, like honey, light oak, not disaster orange, but
Disaster orange.
and it's annoyed us, I think, ever since we did it. So it's coming off.
Death to horrible stain.
Death to disaster orange.
How excited are you about the panel?
I am going to be very excited when they've done the front in general, like the footwells, because they are really, really not there and they're really complicated, and it will be so nice to know that all the front is good.
Show me your happy face. Show us to do.
That's it. Front panel is actually officially welded. Welded. So all I have to do now is run some silicone Sikaflex around the bottom where he's joined it to stop us getting any water or anything in there. And that is the job done for today. So pretty excited to have that finally done. I think it looks awesome. What do you reckon? Should we leave her black? Change of colour? I think if we were going to do it, now's the time. We could change it. I don't know. So if you have any colour suggestions or you think you can't change ruby red, then let us know in the comments. And don't forget to hit like. See you next time.
We are attempting to drive from Birmingham, England to Ushuaia, South America.
We have visited 10 countries, 2 continents, and seen some truly spectacular wonders. Make sure you hit subscribe and turn on that bell notification so you never miss one of our adventures.